I feel like I'm an ambassador here in Dariyah, so I'm serving my country actually. Dariyah, it's the beginning of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, so it's established before around 300 years ago. And it's the most important place that we have here. It's the area of the kingdom and the Al Saud. So that's why it's important. We are showing actually our history of Najd, of especially Najd history.
Being a tour guide is amazing, and being a tour guide in Dariyah is an honor. Imagine that you are the one explaining the history of your country to your people and the tourist. It's a big responsibility, and it's being an ambassador of your country.
I would like to showcase the greatness of the constructions in Dariyah. As you can imagine, 250 years ago, with simple tools, how they could establish such a place and palaces in a trip.
Dariyah means the history. The beginning of the kingdom. It means the education, it means the learning, it means the future, it means the vision of the 2030. It means a lot actually. We have different things here. It's not only about the past and the history, it's also about the future and the present.
I would like to showcase the determination and the persistence of the people of Dariyah.
Dariyah is the jewel of the kingdom of Saudi Arabia. And the Taif, it's the center or a district that was ruling center at that time, and it's the biggest open air museums. So that's why I recommended the visitors and the tourists to come here and visit the Dariyah. Dariyah actually supports the vision of 2030. We have a lot of plans. It will shock a lot of people actually. So there's only one Dariyah.